Hey everyone, welcome back to Have a Chat, where we help you speak English with confidence in real-life situations. I'm Sophia.
And I'm Daniel, your co-host and occasional grammar troublemaker.
Yeah, you do like to break the rules sometimes.
Only the boring ones.
So today, we're tackling one of the most common but nerve-wracking moments in business life, introducing yourself in a meeting.
Yep, whether it's your first team meeting or a high-stakes client call, that short moment when you say your name can totally set the tone for how people see you.
We'll talk about when to give a short intro, when to go longer, what mistakes to avoid, and how to sound confident and professional without sounding like a robot.
Or like you're reading your resume out loud.
Exactly. Let's get into it.
All right, Sophia, quick question. When someone says, please introduce yourself, what's your first thought?
Honestly, please don't let me sound awkward.
Yes, because it's such a tiny moment, but it feels huge.
True. That's why it helps to have a few ready-made styles, short, medium, or long, depending on the situation. Scenario 1. The short introduction.
Imagine this, a large online meeting with 20 people. Everyone's doing quick intros. What should you say?
Keep it short and clear. For example, hi everyone, I'm Sophia, the marketing manager for Asia Pacific. I've been with the company for 3 years and I'm excited to work on this new project.
That's perfect. Name, role, one short detail, and a positive note.
Exactly. The key mistake here is rambling, going on and on about your background.
Yeah, no one needs your life story before coffee. Scenario 2, the longer introduction.
Now, if it's a small team meeting or you're new to the company, you can expand a little.
Something like, hi everyone, I'm Daniel from Business Development. My background's in education and partnerships, and I'm focusing on expanding our European market this year. I'm really looking forward to collaborating with all of you.
Great. That shows expertise and interest in teamwork.
And the ending, looking forward to collaborating, creates a nice positive connection.
Scenario 3. Meeting with a client. Okay, last one. The client meeting.
Ah, yes, where tone matters the most.
You want to sound polished and warm. For example, good morning. I'm Sophia from Have a Chat. I manage our business communications programs for corporate clients. I've been following your company's projects, and I'm really excited to see how we might support your goals.
That's smooth, professional, but still human.
Exactly. It shows respect and enthusiasm without sounding fake.
Okay, let's confess. What are the biggest mistakes people make?
Number 1, rambling. Don't overload people with your entire career history.
Number 2, being too formal. Like saying, it's an honor to make your acquaintance.
Yes, that sounds like something from a royal dinner.
Number 3, speaking too fast. When you rush, people don't catch your name or your role.
Right. Slow down, breathe, and own your moment.
So, what does a great introduction sound like?
5 things. 1, smile. Even if it's a virtual call, people can hear your smile. 2, sit or stand tall. Good posture equals confident voice. 3, adjust your tone. More formal for clients, relaxed for internal meetings. 4, listen to others. Respond or connect to what they say. And 5, end positively with something like, I'm looking forward to working with everyone.
That's gold. It's about confidence and connection, not perfection.
Exactly. People remember how you make them feel, not the exact words you say.
All right, let's dig into some of the key expressions we've used today, because they can help you sound natural in any professional setting.
Time for our vocabulary review and practice section. Phrase 1, set the tone.
Say it with us. Set the tone.
It means to create the mood or feeling for what comes next.
Example, your introduction sets the tone for the whole meeting.
Right. If you start calm and confident, everyone relaxes.
Phrase 2, instant connection.
Repeat, instant connection.
That's when you feel comfortable with someone right away.
Example, she made an instant connection with the new client by sharing a personal story.
In many English-speaking workplaces, building that quick, personal rapport really helps.
Phrase 3, rambling.
My old bad habit.
Rambling means talking too much without a clear point.
Example. He started rambling about his old projects and lost everyone's attention.
To avoid that, prepare your intro with 2 or 3 short points and stop there.
Phrase 4. Sound natural, not rehearsed.
Repeat it. Sound natural, not rehearsed.
It means you shouldn't memorize every word, just practice the ideas.
Exactly. The goal isn't perfect grammar, it's connection.
And phrase 5. Make a good impression.
Classic. It means to create a positive first feeling.
Example. Your confident voice helps you make a good impression.
Cultural tip. First impressions in business often form in the first 10 seconds. Use that time wisely.
Replay conversation.
Hi, everyone. I'm Sophia, marketing manager for Asia Pacific. I've been with the company 3 years, and I'm looking forward to collaborating on this campaign.
Great to have you, Sophia. I'm Daniel from Business Development. My background's in partnerships, and I'm excited to explore new opportunities together.
I love that you said explore opportunities together. It really sets the tone for teamwork.
Thanks. I try not to ramble.
You're improving.
And that's how you sound natural, confident, but not scripted.
Exactly. So today, we learned how to introduce yourself naturally in different business meetings, avoid common mistakes, and make a strong first impression.
Whether it's short, long, or somewhere in between, remember to smile, stay clear, and connect with people.
If you enjoyed this episode, hit subscribe, share it with your friends or colleagues, and drop a comment with your favorite introduction line.
And don't forget to visit our website, the link's in the description, for more real-life English lessons.
Thanks for joining us today.
Keep chatting, keep learning,
And keep growing with Have a Chat.